Today I'll walk you through how to create a Power BI dashboard for Jira, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your dashboard so you can visualize your Jira data effectively. Let's get started. First, open your Jira dashboard. This is where you'll begin your journey to creating insightful visualizations. Take a moment to locate your dashboard, as it serves as the central hub for your Jira projects. Next, on the left sidebar, click on the Apps option. This section allows you to explore various integrations that can enhance your Jira experience. Once you're in the Apps section, look for the option that says Explore More Apps. This is similar to browsing a store for new tools that can help you work more efficiently. Now, it's time to search for the Power BI connector for Jira. This connector is essential as it bridges your Jira data with Power BI, enabling you to create dynamic reports and dashboards. After finding the connector, click on Try It Free. This step allows you to test the integration without any commitment, giving you the chance to see how it works firsthand. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps may vary slightly based on your version of Jira. The key is to follow along with the general process and you'll be just fine. Once you've activated the Power BI connector, you'll be able to pull in your Jira data seamlessly. This integration will enable you to create visualizations that reflect your team's performance, project statuses, and more. As you work through the setup, remember that creating a dashboard is like building a map of your project's journey. Each visualization represents a different aspect of your work, helping you navigate through data with ease. In conclusion, you've learned how to create a Power BI dashboard for Jira, from accessing your dashboard to integrating the Power BI connector. By following these steps, you're now equipped to visualize your Jira data effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.